Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands on Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! Om Sarva Mangal Mangale Shivai Sarvat Sadike Sharine Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Meaning, oh, the divine couple Shiva Parvati. Oh, thee, the protectors of this universe. Along with Lords Brahma and Vishnu, we pray to you for our well-being, prosperity, and the enlightenment of our souls. This video was inspired by the love of Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati. Lord Shiva is one of the main god in the Hindu deities. He is one of the three gods among Trimurti, including Lord Vishnu, the preserver, Lord Brahma, the creator, and himself as the destroyer. Lord Shiva is also known in many names. He is called as Lord Mahadeva, Vishwanath, Maheswara, Shankara, and many more. Lord Shiva mantra, Om Namah Shivaya. Mata Parvati is the Hindu goddess. She symbolizes love, and Shakti means the power. She is also known in many names such as Mata Durga, Shivani, Bhaguwan, Uma, and many more. Mata Parvati is the wife of Lord Shiva. Durga mantra, Om Dung Durgaye Namah. Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati were married in a great pomp and celebration. Lord Shiva is incomplete without Mata Parvati. They have two children, Lord Ganesha and Lord Kartikeya. Hinduism believes that Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati are like the father and mother of the universe. Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel Hands on Happy Hands with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching.